Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. How are you doing? Today I'm going to be riding my hoverboard. So let's have fun today. And yes, I know how to ride a hoverboard. Let me just get on it right. Let's go. I'm gonna be less. It's time to look at fun. Now let's do it stupid. Like this kind of thing. This one I don't know. I need to practice this. So let's just do the one I don't know that I fall off.
What you doing?
I'll just show you sitting down the legs. Having fun. Wait, don't trust me. Running my iPad like that.
Hi.
Even though it shows on my plugins a lot video.
I didn't even know you changed.
I had to. I don't like showing boobies. When I'm doing this, and you don't have no jacket on, and you're wearing shorts, it's just weird, bro. So I had to put on these, put on this, where it's not making it weird. I love these leggings. I don't like jeans. They're too tight on my waist, bro. You know I'm skinny. What do? Like skinny? Since I don't eat a lot tight. I said I'm too picky, I'm too picky, I'm too picky, I'm too picky.
Why stop the video?
Huh? What?